and my butt is paining, so we need to stop somewhere for a small break. It is showing me still 5 hours. It's 4:14 and 325 kilometers completed. Almost the same. We are halfway. Great. Okay. My downshift failed miserably. Okay. Fine. These kinds of speed bumps are extremely unnecessary. I don't know what they want to. 1 minute. Arre. The road is under construction. Did I miss a board saying that there are speed breakers ahead? Or there was no board? Vehicle damaging speed bumps. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I think I should stop somewhere. The boot. My engine braking is. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Fine. Getting used to the gloves and the boot will take some time. Gloves are still fine, but the boots you just cannot remove or anything, right? Then that's no use. I'm a little bit worried about my tube tires. They should be fine until and unless something pokey pokes them, and that's why the importance of air pressure. Low air pressure or incorrect air pressure is no joke actually, especially in this bike. I'm not sure how significant it is in the other bikes, but this bike, or maybe I think bikes with bikes with the 21-inch wheel, I mean larger wheel size or more weight, I feel it immediately. And the issue that was discussing earlier, the issue feels even more when I think I'm on the wrong road again. I'm supposed to go that road, not this road. Okay, let me take a U-turn. It's feeling a little hot now. There's some curved road. Bye. I'm also bored, guys. Bye. Oh my god, he's having a phone. You're supposed to be in school. Bye. Nice. Hello. I hope I'm audible, guys. Hello. Yeah. Hi again. So I covered a lot of distance and still 164 kilometers in left. It's 6:37 p.m. There was absolutely nothing to stop in between, not just to eat, but not even to stop properly. So did around another 150 kilometers, I guess. I've lost the count now. So yeah, taking a tea break, giving the bike some rest. It's dark already. It's close to Bijapur. Bijapur is almost 50 kilometers, I guess. And then 100 kilometers almost Solapur from there. Yeah. And yeah, you can see the helmet I'm using. It is MT Thunder 3. It's got dirty, lot of flies sticking to it. I'll have to clean that. And also, yeah, it still shows 3 hours. So let's see if I reach by 9 or max 10 maybe. Even that will be great. So that will be exactly 12 hours. The bike is pretty solid. As of now, no problems yet. I've had I did a little bit visual inspection. Doesn't seem any issue at all. But still I wanted to give it some rest, especially the tires, because I'm not sure this is the first time I've come so long so far, and yeah, I'll wait another 10 minutes maybe and I'll leave. Okay guys, I'm leaving from here. Not that great of a tea. Probably it was not even tea. Another 3 hours. It says 10 o'clock I should reach. 6:56 p.m. I've removed the gloves now. Bike is well rested. Disconnected the charger again. I want to reduce the brightness. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, another 3 hours. We should reach by 10 mostly. In between I took a small break. Small as in very small. 5 minutes break just to change the balaclava. So I have an extra balaclava as well. The one which I was using from morning was a little bit sweaty. Feels nice. Sorry, wide and close now. I actually have a reflective strap. I forgot to wear it. But I think the bag's reflective thing and the helmets and bikes should do. 163 kilometers. Yeah, this 2 hours which I'm getting late, these are very crucial, because now what happens is, now you have to ride slow. There's a lot of traffic as well. Traffic as in the road is busier than before. It will take more time, but that's what, if you start early, you will reach early and then it won't take that much of a time. But yeah, that's fine. I'm just going home, so that is not a problem. But yeah, I also don't want to really reach midnight or something, because I won't get windy then. It's going blindly today. Oi. Stopping power is great. The brakes are nice. Just make sure you get them cleaned, and also the wheel alignment also affects the brakes. So uneven brakes are like, the brake pads become uneven if your wheels are not aligned. So that is another thing for that. Yeah, so far, guys, it's like 161 kilometers left. 500, almost 500 kilometers done. I started in the morning, and it's around what it was. What was the time? I didn't see. Yeah, so here's the time. It's 6:57, almost 7. So yeah, even if I reach in 12 hours, that's a good thing. Good thing for the first time. And the rest it was very fun. I could ride the bike on constant speed, like around 100. I did not do more than 100 because I do not want to do that. I did not want to stretch or stress that much. So I wanted to keep it in between like around 5,000 RPM, not more than that. Like 100 kilometers per hour, not more than that. Yeah, my visor is got pretty messy because of the flies. I did not consider this issue, honestly. And yeah, I wiped a little bit, but still, I mean, couldn't wipe it properly. And really, I mean, surprisingly, there are no restaurants on, like, for the last 250 kilometers. I mean, no good restaurants to have anything, but yeah, that's why I couldn't take a break earlier. The flies are still coming on my visor, I don't know. It is a great experience, definitely. So finally, guys, I'm here. I've crossed the Maharashtra border, and the time is 1 second, 9:23. So I started 2 hours late, but still almost in time. Not bad, not at all bad for the first time. I'm absolutely tired and hungry as well. So I'm heading home now. Finally, last few minutes, 10-15 minutes. It's been an completely overwhelming experience, and could it have been possible if the bike did not support me enough? Absolutely a beast. And yes, if I'm going to do this again, definitely yes. And I'm going to do this record thing or no, that I'm not sure. Let's see how the video turns out. But entirely, the whole day has been great. My new year has never been started so you know, I mean, doing something that I've not done. And yeah, so let's see how it goes, and see you soon again, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.